Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Now, today I'm going to explain you about EVSFA. Okay, EVS formative assessment. For that, you have to listen very carefully. I'm going to tell you about EVS formative assessment. This is we have done in the month of August, right? What have you done? You have named the parts of the body and you have also done family tree, right? That was activity 1 and assessment 1. Now in this month we are going to do activity 2, which will contain 10 marks, which is for 10 marks. Okay. So what are you going to do? I have taught you a lesson. You remember the food we eat? Yes. In that we have learned pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk product, junk food, healthy food, right? So many things we have learned. What you have to do is you have to write, you have to stick two pictures of pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk products and junk food. You have to stick these two pictures of all these things. You can take a half chart paper or you can take one single A4 size paper or half chart paper, whatever is available with you, that paper you will take. You will make sorry you can make five columns like this. First one is pulses, second fruits, vegetables, milk products and junk food. You can stick here two pictures of pulses. You can also write name down. You can stick two pictures of fruits, write name. You can stick two pictures of vegetables, write name. You can stick two pictures of milk products, mention their name below the picture, and two pictures of junk food. Okay, you have to stick two pictures of all these five things in a A4 size paper or in a half chart paper, whatever is available with you. Okay, am I clear, children? Okay, we'll go to the assessment 2. Assessment 2 will also contain of 10 marks. It has 10 marks. What you have to do is you have to write few lines on season you like the most. You have to line few lines. You can write 3 lines, you can write 4 lines, you can write 5 lines on the season which you like the most. Now, if I like, for example, if I like rainy season, then I will write few lines on my favorite rainy season. I like to play in water or whatever I like, I will write about it. Same way, you have to write on your favorite season, why you like that season most. Okay? If you don't know to write, you have to learn writing it. Okay? You are in grade 1 now. So, first you do practice. You have 2 days time. Okay? You can do practice. You can tell your mummy or daddy or brother, sister, anyone who is available at your home. Tell them to write 3 to 5 lines for you. You can read that. You can learn that. You can do the practice by writing the same 3 to 5 lines in your book. Okay? And then after 2 days, in a paper or in a book, a very fairly you will write, you will click the picture and you will send it to me. Your mummy and daddy know how to send it. Okay? How to upload it. In that picture where you are going to write the season, about your favorite season, you have to write the details. You have to write your name up, standard, division, roll number and SID number. Even in the pictures which you are going to stick for pulses, fruit, vegetables, junk food and all, in that page also, first above you will write name, standard, division, roll number and SID number. In the season you write the most. In every project, everywhere, every page, first you are going to write your name, standard, division, roll number. If you don't write roll number, that is okay, but you can write name, standard, division and SID number. Okay, children? You have to submit this on 28th September before 8 p.m. That is Monday. Okay? Before 8 p.m. you are going to submit this. So you have to learn. You have 2 to 3 days time. You can learn to write few lines on your season and then make it a fair copy and send your formative assessment in the PDF format. Understood, children? I hope you all understood very well. Your mama know how to make, mommy or daddy, they are aware how to make a PDF format, and you have to send in a given link. You don't have to send on a WhatsApp group. There is a link of your class and division, right? Take a photo, make a PDF file and send in that link. You will send me the half chart, the activity 2, that is take 5 pictures of fruits, vegetables and that, and this 5 lines on season. This both picture you will click together and make a PDF. I don't want one PDF of activity 2 and one PDF of assessment. This is the formative assessment of EVS. So this EVS together you will make a PDF file of these two things what I have shown you right now and then upload in a group. Am I clear, children? Do it well, okay? All the best. Write it properly. Thank you.